Hello mga mare, hello mga pare, it's me again, Lizelle, and welcome to Filipino React channel. So, if you wonder why I'm saying hello mga pare, hello mga mare, because one of our subscribers or viewers in Nepali always commented greetings like hello mare, hello pare. Yes, hello pare if you say hi to the boy, and the mare means if you say it to the girl. Yes, mare and pare. So hello mare and pare, hello, namaste. Yes. So for this video guys, we're going to react another reaction video of Gunn. And yes, and thank you so much for always watching my reaction videos of Gunn. And yes, it's a little bit disappointed, but oh my god, so let's continue to react his final performance of American Idol. And the title of the song that we're going to react is Have You Ever Seen the Rain by CCR, the American Idol 2020 finale. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Lizelle. Yes, a reactor YouTuber here in the Philippines, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions, just comment down below. This reaction video is a silent reaction, so we can all enjoy the music. And yes, without further ado, guys, and my reaction comments, guys, unveil at the end of this video, guys. So, oh my god, I'm so super excited. I'm sorry. So let's get started.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming down for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain someday. I know shining down like water. Oh, yeah. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? On a sunny day.
Yes.
Okay guys, it's commenting time. So oh my god, he is screaming art himself that that you couldn't ignore, and he's one in a million. Yes, and either didn't love the American Idol. I mean, Arthur didn't love the American Idol title. The title lost himself. It's so sad that he's not a winner. But oh my god, how did he lose? I thought this was going to be the most predictable win. Oh my god, I'm shocked. Yes, totally shocked. And it seems like no other. He's versatile and superior with who he is. And no worry. Okay guys, no worries, because Gunn fans, he's already a bigger star than the actual winner of American Idol. And wow, he has a many of deals waiting for him, guys, than than a bigger than that. And wow, the show, oh my god, the show has to offer. Yes. Sorry guys if I speak in, because I was so shocked that Arthur Gunn didn't win this competition. But yes, as a fan of Arthur Gunn, I must still, for me, he's still a winner. And he's a big star now, and I know that there's a lot of doors to open, and to grab the opportunities. You know what I mean, guys. Wow, he's my number one. Yeah, and I know, that, wow. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So yes, whew, oh my god. So I'm sorry. Okay, guys. So so sad, but okay. So I hope you like this reaction video, guys. It's slightly sad, but let's accept it, and let's do always support Arthur Gunn. And yes, and this video, guys, and yes, I don't know what to say. I'm so blank. Okay, guys. So for the next video, guys, please support my for my upcoming reaction videos. And yes, thank you so much for always watching my videos. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Yes, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye.